What's up, guys? We're going to be putting in this resonator delete by Gibson. This is for their 24 to 25 Ford F150 with the short bed. When it comes, you'll have your resonator delete pipe, flange, and a new clamp. Also comes with sticker instructions. And yeah, I already have the OEM resonator removed under the truck. So right now it just stops. So we're gonna slide this in, and then we'll get a before and after on the decibel readings, so you know roughly what tone you'll be gaining from putting this in. Alright, so I got the little tab cut off of the OEM exhaust pipe. So you got a little tab where the OEM one goes and twists to kind of lock it in place, keep it from falling out. So I got that tab off. Now we're gonna slide the new Gibson resonator delete in, and then we'll give it a crank and see how many decibels picked up just from deleting that resonator. Should get a little bit more flow and a little bit more tone out of it. So let's get this in here and then we'll see how it sounds. All right, so we got 2 OEM bolts going back in the flange side. Gonna tighten that up. Got it around the flip point on the back side. I'm gonna use their supplied clamp. They also say you can use the OEM clamp if you want to drill it off the OEM pipe, but I didn't feel like doing that, so we're just gonna use the one they supplied. I have no clue what muffler is on this thing. I bought it with it. It'll get swapped out eventually, but it's just kind of like I'm assuming it's similar to like a Flowmaster 40 series. So it's got a little bit more rumble, but not a whole lot. But hopefully with this thing, we'll pick up a little bit of tone. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. So I got the flange tightened there. OEM bolts, 13 millimeter. Get them snugged up nice and tight. And then I got these on the provided clamp tightened up. They're 14 mil. Got them snugged up as good as I can. Now we're gonna start this thing and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so that's the Gibson resonator delete for 21 through 25 F150s. That was not a hard install at all. Of course, I already had the resonator taken out just because I'd ordered the wrong one for the wrong year model. Make sure that you are getting one for a 21 to 25 and not a 2015 till 2020, I think, or 2019. They have a different flange, and I believe it's a 2.5 inch pipe, and the newer ones are 3 inch. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. 2 13 mils to get the flange unbolted from the Y pipe, and then a 15 millimeter bolt to get the OEM clamp off of the slip joint, and then it's just reverse process from there. But it sounds a little bit louder, but not too much. Cold start was definitely a lot louder. I say a lot louder, it wasn't that bad, but hopefully the decibel readings kind of show how many decibels it picked up, so that way, like I said, this one already has what I think is equivalent to a 40 series muffler from Flowmaster. I'm not exactly sure what's on it, but you'll at least know how many decibels just deleting the resonator would pick up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it maybe helps someone out who's thinking about putting this in or wondering if they need to spend the money on it. I'll link the exhaust down below. But till the next one, I'll see you guys later.